Welcome back to guys. Our last video we said what we were gonna do. What we were gonna make?
What?
We're making a what?
Sandwich.
Yeah, today we're making a sandwich. Okay. Right, cameraman, where are you?
I'm eating, my guy. Hey, yeah, guys, cameramans actually eat.
No dirt. Okay. There's me. Okay. First step of making Ralphie's sandwich.
Oh.
Here you go. First step, we gotta get some bread. Bread. Now, you get your plate.
Plate.
You go, bah, bah. Then you run over here.
Oh, I forgot to add the cheese.
Bits of cheese.
Cheese.
That's the ham.
Do you have mayo?
Hold on. Okay.
Move.
Where's the mayo? We're gonna get mustard.
Oh, mayo.
Oh.
I showed the mayo like this. Seen these?
What's this?
Forehead pick. Doggy pick. Why is that wide open still? I almost hit my head on that. Oh yeah, big boy knows how to cook. And once we're done with this, we're going to play outside, touch some grass.
Yeah, and we're gonna record that too.
We are?
What?
Yeah, we're gonna record that too. Why do you do mustard first? Oh, holy! It's a lot of mustard. Huh?
Yeah, a lot of mustard. Is that a lot of mustard?
For me, yeah. I usually don't get a lot of mustard.
You should have told me that earlier.
Oh, Melders! Little. Look at this. Yeah. It's a lot of.
Stop candy review, gosh. That was cooking with Ralphie.
We haven't even. Yesterday, we went to like maybe 20 houses, and we got done with candy.
This is how you actually place cheese. Watch this. Shoot, I missed. First, not yet.
Oh, my bad.
Boom. There we go. Here's the old stuff.
Hello? Then we get some chips. Yeah. Hello? What?
It's on the phone.
Hi. Wait. What about admin abuse? Yeah, what about it? You're not gonna what? I know, admin abuse is usually dorms now. My bad, I was taking a little call break. Dog break. Dog break. Taste test.
That, guys, is the Ralphie.
Yeah, Ralphie cooked that.
Totally. Anyways, goodbye, guys. What?